My name is Blackstar. I'll surpass the power of the god.
Extremulous.
Yeah, I get all nervous and shit. Whatever. Shit. Ain't nothing like cars and beer.
Ain't nervous. And water.
Yep. Just an update on Roller World here. Look at he's all good, you know, getting his appointments done every other 2 days and shit.
Got my ass too.
Oh, claimed another victim today. I know what y'all saying. Hey, Wes, take the motherfucking pipes off. But no. Anyway, so today we're working on Jay's Kia. The Kia. It's looking. We got it on jack stands. So basically right now he's got the new airlift, what? 3S. Oh yeah, 3S. What? So he had this, what's this, Vera? He had the Vera, yo. So the Vera was giving him issues. Basically, what you said, the solenoids they were staying open?
What's that?
You said the solenoids? So right now we're finna to route the lines and I guess finish the management on his trunk, finish the stuff on his trunk. But I'll keep y'all tuned in, get a little video clips and a little how to. Went through the side skirt. It's pretty flawless. But what you laughing for? What you laughing for? Pretty flawless. Comes out right here. But we're gonna put some clamps right here so that the airline does not touch the wheel. So if you trust me, I've been there where I just let this hang low, whatever. Yeah, we've been there. Hot boy drove all the way from Florida with a burnt airline, but you know, ain't no little duct tape and Gorilla Glue will fix. But nah, so we're gonna do it right this time. We're gonna clamp it on the fender. So basically, airline won't touch the tire. No, y'all looking at me like, oh, he's got a screwdriver, 2 screwdrivers. He's doing some work today. Nah, still trying to get this airlines hooked up on the driver's side. Yeah, man, as soon as you take all this little plastic stuff off, it's straight, but it's gonna be a minute. Good night. Fuck. It'd be nice to have power tools.
Yeah, you don't need power tools.
I'm a bitch, man.
Here at Roller's World, we don't have power tools.
What the fuck?
Real man.
Real man. Fuck all that. Alright.
Real men have garages.
Oh, fuck. Alright. So, let me see. So, right here. This is right here. So, as soon as you get it out, so like I said, on the other side, as soon as you pull it through, get through the fender liner, side skirts, you attach it on here. We're gonna get that screw, tapping screw, and boom, right there. Make sure the airline's far away from the wheel, and we're gonna twist the bag around so it can be close to the wall here. Yeah, let's see that shit.
Roll the world, baby.
Roll the world, boy. All that happens here. You got a line already pushed through? No, not yet.
Not yet.
Have you heard of a straight pipe Kia Cadenza? This is one. It's like giving birth to a baby. Just keep pushing up if you need.
Yeah, I'm getting tangled with that mirror.
Alright.
Is this final right here? So can I connect this fully?
Yeah, you can.
I need you give me an adjustable wrench.
Yeah, adjustable wrench. Alright, give me a second. Adjustable.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Right here.
This is for the rear passenger side.
So we're already dropping that. Man, it's gonna be quick for the rear. It's like right there, boom.
I thought it fell, like not fell down in here, but it was down in here and the airline was like clipped in here.
Pretty much got the back done. So next is management. We get the management hooked up. It's gonna be good, man. So earlier I said my boy was with the 3P. Sorry, 3S. But
Hey, bitch, you had to sit in that tone.
whoa, I don't know which one's better. So
You said it like a downgrade.
whoa, I didn't. So when I said I'm talking about your management, bro. I might have mistakenly said you had 3P.
Right.
I don't know, bro. I got V2. That's basic.
Oh yeah.
So you way better than I am. But I still got presets. Huh?
I got presets too.
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm just saying I got
That's all
presets.
you need. At the end
Wow.
of the day, that's all you need. I didn't even have presets, so come on. I had an electric manual controller.
And that shit was shitty. hey, man, hey, bro.
If the stars were aligned properly, it would work.
Hey, that motherfucker was like, hey, bro, that shit ain't gonna work today, bro. We gonna crank up. Nah.
Every time fucking roller says some joke like that, roll.
Bro, right now, basically one compressor was he using right now, and got a 5-gallon tank. It's coming together, man. It's coming together pretty nice. I can't wait to install this. Hopefully it'll be done in the next hour roller? Because roller is the electrician. I'm not the electrician, bro. Well, we got everything pretty much hooked up, so we should be done within the next hour.
Yeah, we gotta get the trunk situated, everything mounted where it needs to be. Finish routing the lines in there. I just got one more line to run. That's the dump line.
Oh yeah, we got. So basically, right now we getting spacers for the airlines to go behind here, behind the cell box. The roller's getting it's getting the airlift power, getting power to the management right now. So we got a lot of things going on right now. Gonna make it happen. What?
All right, so I need to turn power on, right?
Yes, don't start the car.
Of course, because that would sound so crisp.
He's got to connect to it and shit first.
As
So
weird.
maybe I have to go to actual Bluetooth first and look for it.
I don't know what the fuck we doing right now.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So basically, so we got power to the management. Okay, it's loading up. It's loading up. It's loading.
You're gonna have to show me how to set presets.
I got you, baby.
Barely.
Barely.
Well, that takes a minute. Jeez.
Oh my gosh. I don't know what you doing right now, but thread locking is not that hard. So anyway, we got the management working right now. Fucking rollers getting the whole.
Blast airlift ass. Put their ass in there. That shit fucked up.
Whoa.
That was
Remember
hard.
that? Hey, this ass, goddamn boy. Hey, he paid for this shit. Hey, just turn your phone sideways and then we get shit working.
Landscape.
Long story short, we tried to get Jay's management working through Bluetooth on his phone. It wasn't working. We troubleshoot for like, you see it's dark right now, right? So we've been troubleshooting for like an hour. Come to find out, if you turn your phone sideways and do the whole steps and shit, it puts into manual mode and we got it to work. So now we are finna put everything back in this car. Hopefully everything works perfectly. compressor turns on, management works fine, bags pump up, and car rides smooth and shit. But I'll give you an update. Hopefully it's not 1 o'clock in the morning, cause
Looking that way.
yeah. But all you car guys know, when y'all working on the bill, when it's looking like
It's
this,
supposed to be some quick shit.
I don't even want it. So he just aired it out, and Fitment Boys is pretty on point.
I made Roller say, damn.
Fitting the lip. We got this thing working.
We should check to see if it's
Roller world. What? What the hell? What?
Because you can DB the tire.
That's
dude.
why I said don't go down all
Yeah.
the way.
You don't listen.
I don't.
You don't listen.
Send it.
Send it. I'm
I'll
not.
be
I'm about to
right
pause.
on with you.
Pause it. Air at the front.
Air it up.
Yep.
Am I down?
No, you good.
Yeah, you're off the wood. Can we scoot that?
Damn,
wood
this
out of the
bitch is
way?
fucking a monster truck right now.
Yeah, but you gotta be mindful of your tires close out of the back. So you don't want to smash your tires. No, like you're gonna have to roll a monster truck in the back.
You want air out one time? That motherfucker really don't give two fucks. Just got that management.